Wait, don't scroll, break in or just talk at the same length. This might be the video that will change everything for you, because what I'm about to show you is not just another routine, but these are 15 real tips, proven tips that transform my hair from dry, stagnant to long, fuller and thriving hair. Even as I've colored my hair, this is my takedown video, and as you have seen me taking down my video, the way my hair is really healthy and is thick full, you will know that what I'm about to share with you, it is what has worked for me that I'm sharing with you. Hello icons, welcome back in today's video. In today's video is my takedown protective style. Also, I'll be sharing 15 real tips. So if it is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching. Please give me a like and stay tuned. The best part of this video is most of these ingredients are already in your kitchen. I know they will be in your kitchen. These are the things we use to cook with, spice and the rest of them. So as I take down this protective style, I'm going to show you exactly what helps my hair grow fast than I ever expected. First thing first, oil your scalp with intention, not randomly. Don't just pour oil and go. Massage your hair slowly to boost blood flow. This feeds your roots and wakes up dominant follicles. Tip number 2, rosemary oil. This oil is a bomb. It grows the hair and also boosts your hair growth. Rosemary improves circulation. If you want to grow your hair like magic, I suggest you use rosemary oil because this oil improves circulation, almost like a natural alternative to growth treatment. Mix it with a carrier oil and use it consistently. Number 3, moringa powder. Like my last video, I think I mixed my moringa powder because this moringa is a nutrient bomb. Moringa is rich in vitamin A, E and zinc. When applied or consumed, it strengthens strands and reduces shedding. So if your hair breaks a lot or you have a lot of breakage, make your friend moringa powder. Number 4, keep your scalp clean. Growth starts at the scalp. Product buildup blocks follicles. So wash your hair regularly but gently, once a week or 2 times in a week. Star anise, that's number 4. Star anise infusion for strong roots. Boil star anise and use the water as a rinse. It helps reduce breakage and gives your scalp a refreshing and clean feeling. Number 5, olive oil for deep moisture. Olive oil penetrates the hair shaft, making your hair softer, shinier and less prone to breakage. Number 6, protective style, but don't forget your hair in there. Some of us, we drop our head in the protective style and just move on with our lives. It is not like that. Style helps retain length, but neglecting your hair underneath cancel the benefits. So you have to moisturize even when your hair is hidden. Number 8, hydration is not optional. Dry hair breaks, moisturized hair grows. So if you want to grow your hair, you have to keep your hair moisturized. Use water-based products before sealing with oil. Oil alone cannot grow your hair, so keep that in mind. Number 9, this one look odd but is worth it and it works for me and for a lot of naturalists out there, so practice it as well. Trim to grow. Holding onto split ends slows the progress. Trimming removes damage and helps retain length over time. Number 10, gentle detangling only. Rough handling equals to breakage. Always detangle from ends to the roots of your hair with patience. Don't be in the rush to just comb your hair and go. Nah sis, it doesn't work that way if you really want to see this growth. Number 11, sleep protection matters. While you're going to bed, you need to protect your hair. Cotton dries your hair. Switch to satin or silk to reduce friction and retain moisture overnight. Number 12, scalp massage. Daily growth habits. These little things that we overlook, it matters a lot. Number 12, you have even 5 minutes a day increase blood circulation and encourage fast hair growth. If you're massaging your hair every day 5 minutes before the end of months, the growth you will see, it will be shocking and you will be thinking it's magic. It is not magic. Is what you have been doing over time. Number 13, consistency beats everything. You don't need thousands of products, you need a routine and stick to it. Consistency is the key to everything, including your hair growth. Number 14, feed your hair from within. Healthy hair starts inside. Eat nutrient-rich food and stay hydrated. Last but not the least, that is the king of it all. Be patient. Be patient. Nothing is magic, especially your hair. Growth is a journey. Hair growth is not magic, but with the right care, you will see results. If you have been struggling with your hair, start with just these 3 of these tips. Stay consistent and watch the difference. If you have made it this far, please comment grow so that I will know you are serious about your hair journey, and I will send you my WhatsApp number so that I will keep track of your hair growth for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Since I'm also taking down my protective style, let me give you little tips on how I normally take down my protective style. As you can see me doing this video, all I do is to spray water on my hair. Anyways, I didn't show that part because I've done that since the time I was taking my bath. I spray water on my hair using the shower. So the first thing I do is to detangle on the damp hair. Yeah, and use oil. Before you start, like spray water or apply oil. Common mistake number 1 is that rushing the process. If you are pulling or getting frustrated, you are already causing damage process, girl. You need that growth, so you have to do all you can to keep the new growth. Another secret again I use in taking down my hair is I use my fingers first. Using your hands are more gentle on your hair and prevent unnecessary hair loss. And mind you, all shed hairs is not damaged because those hair that you have been shedding throughout every single day has been accumulated inside the protective style. So once you take down your protective style, the shed hair will come out. But there's a difference between shed hair and breakage. Those breakage are the tiny pieces that comes out from your hair. But those long strands, they are called shade because they remove straight from the root. So those ones you have nothing to worry about. But if you begin to lose too much hair from breakage, that means you are being too rough and you will destroy the growth. So it will no longer help. You will not see growth. The hair actually grew, but you will not see the length. So I want to say thank you so much for watching to this limit. Yeah, if you have not joined my family on YouTube, please do well to like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this. Which one do you normally use and which one works for you best? Or you are a beginner? If you are a beginner, please come and join me. Let us grow your hair together. Because me too, I was bored. I born with no hair. Like if I see my hair now, I normally think, is this thing true? I'm seeing results. So come, let's benefit from this DIY remedy together. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.